Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to clean the Cricut mat. First we're going to use a simple dishwashing soap. We're going to take a scrub with water and scrub it all over. Once we are done scrubbing, we're going to use the scraper tool that we have in the tool set. We're going to scrape off this dust that is settled on the mat, all the small particles that are stuck on the mat. We will clean off the entire mat uniformly, and as you finish cleaning the mat with the scraper, you will see that the entire mat has retained its original color. Once you are done scraping off the dust from the mat, you will air dry the mat. Please do not try and dry the mat with any kind of cloth or tissue paper. Air dry it for 15 to 20 minutes. When the mat is air dried off completely, you will notice that the mat has retained its stickiness. Thank you for watching. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel. Bye.